Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the number one channel to your solution.
Hello everyone and welcome to FIXtastic Solutions. Today in this video I'll show you how to remove the screen password in Techno Camon 17. So here you can see the device I have is locked by a pattern lock. In this video I'll show you how to remove any type of screen password on this phone without PC. So first of all you have to power off the device. Now you have to hold the volume up and power key together, and you have to release the power key when the screen appears. Okay, just like this. So now you will see the no command screen. For this you have to hold the power key and press volume key. That's it. So now you're in recovery mode. So from here you have to select wipe data factory reset. You can select with the power key and now select factory data reset and perform a factory reset, and you can see data wipe completed. Now you just have to reboot the phone. Reboot from here by pressing the power key. Now you have to wait for a bit. Okay, so now you can see there is no password on the screen. Now you just have to set your phone up and start using it. So guys, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.